bra.
I don't take drugs!
That's all I needed to do, and you were acting like an idiot. If you were pregnant, then you would behave.
It all starts with a heated confrontation between a female officer and a pregnant suspect, an encounter that soon takes a disturbing turn.
You feel it when there's something there. Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
They are open. It hurts. I was running from these people, dude.
Spread your legs. I'm not gonna ask you. Do
Dude,
it.
you're hurting my
Don't be grabbing my stuff either.
I'm not grabbing on you, dude. Let me Oh, man.
All you have to do is cooperate.
You're hurting baby me.
If you were worried about you wouldn't be out stealing, taking Xanax either.
You're hurting my
Good. Are you gonna stop?
No.
You're gonna stop. Are you gonna stop?
No, that hurts. No.
Then relax and do what I tell you to do.
Dude, what the doing this for? My arms are hurting, dude.
Well, then stand up and spread your
I
legs.
did spread them,
No,
dude.
you didn't.
As the pregnant suspect cries out in pain, the officer tells the other deputies that the suspect kicked her during the search.
Spread your
That
legs.
hurts, dude. Why do you have...
Okay, just put
Spread
your
your
foot, put your
legs.
foot right here and I won't do it.
Oh, that hurts.
Do not kick me. Don't grab him. Let her go. Do not kick me. If you kick me again, I swear to God, I'll break your arm. Yes, she horse kicked me and she wasn't following me. My instructions. If you were pregnant, then you would behave. Grab her arm so I can finish searching. That's all I needed to do, and you were acting like an idiot.
She good? Roll her on the side.
I can't even
Come on, roll on your side. Roll on your side.
None of that would have happened if you wouldn't have kicked me.
help, man.
All you needed to do was spread your legs. It's not my fault I found drugs on you.
The officer places the suspect in the patrol car, but the suspect keeps yelling, causing tensions to rise.
What?
Get in.
My arms hurt, my shoulders hurt. Ah.
Taking drugs.
I don't take drugs.
Yes, you do. That's why you had a Xanax in your bra.
God damn, dude, you're gonna be smart. Fine.
It's not going to have anything to do with me, sweetheart.
You dragged me on the floor. Watch out.
The officer kicks the suspect in the chest and repeatedly strikes her in the head. She then drags her out of the patrol car by her hair and leaves her lying in the rain.
Kicking me.
You punched me like 10 times on my
Get on-
Please.
Get on the ground.
Please don't do this
Get
to
on the
me.
ground.
What's wrong? Why did you hit me like that?
Because you
hit me
deserve it.
like
Don't
10
kick me.
times on the head, dude.
Yes, ma'am. And I'm going to keep doing
Shortly afterward, a sheriff arrives to investigate and question the officer about what happened.
So I was searching her, and when I searched her, she had drugs in her bra. I'm like, hey, stand still. She's like, can you pull my shirt down? And she started pulling at her shirt, so I thought maybe she had some more shit in there because I pulled her bra out. I was like, stop messing with your shirt. And she's like, can't you pull it down? I was like, when I'm done, I will fix you. Stand still, stop moving around. So she keeps, and I said, stop moving. And then I told her, turn around and spread your legs. So when she spread them, she only spread them like this, which isn't far enough for me to check. I was like, spread your legs. She's like, my hip hurts. I was like, spread your legs. So she's not following my instructions. So I'm assuming she's got something on her, and she like tries to spin on me. I'm like, that's enough. So I grab her arm and I push her up against the car. Stop. So I'm holding on to her. I'm like, spread your legs. And she kept on and she kept on. And horse kicked me. Where? Right in my knee. I have a footprint from her dirty feet. Look.
To make matters worse, the officer mocks the pregnant suspect, displaying shockingly unprofessional behavior.
She's fine. She's faking it. Look, her eyes are open. As soon as I said that, she opened her eyes.
In the end, Officer Elizabeth Montoya was fired from the San Antonio Police Department and disciplined for intentionally muting her body camera. The suspect was charged with assault on a public servant and resisting arrest. Those charges were later dismissed.